Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss an important topic in time and work. This is one of the important and as well as difficult topics. Now let's discuss. First of all, what is the question given? A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C every third day? It means he has given the A's work, A's number of days, B and C number of days, and he has asked in how many days the work gets completed if B and C help A on every third day. And here are the options given. Let's see how to solve it. First of all, A equal to 20 days, B equal to 30 days and C equal to 60 days. As per the question, on first day, A worked 1 by 20 work. On second day, A works 1 by 20. Whereas on third day, all the three works together. So A plus B plus C work equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. On simplification, we get 6 by 60 and that equals to 1 by 10. It means all the three works together. If all the three works together, the 1 day work will be 1 by 10. And now come to the question. On first day, A is 1 by 20. On second day, A is 1 by 20. Whereas on third day, all the three worked together, so it becomes 1 by 10. Whereas on fourth day, A work is 1 by 20. On fifth day, A work is 1 by 20. And on sixth day, A plus B plus C equals to 1 by 10. So this is the question given. Now how we will solve? First of all, let's calculate how much of work is completed in 3 days. So in 3 days means 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20, A work and ABC work. That gives the LCM is 20 and 1 plus 2, that equals to 4 by 20, and that gives 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the 3 days work. In 3 days they have completed 1 by 5 work. Now observe this fraction carefully, the 1 by 5. The total work is 5 parts. In 3 days they did 1 part. So it means in to do one part they have taken 3 days. In how many days they will complete 5 parts? So we do cross multiplication. On performing cross multiplication we get 15 days. It means the time taken to complete the whole work is 15 days. Here the question given is here the question has given that on every third day B and C assisted A. So that's why we have taken 3 days. If in the question it was given that on fourth day we will take 4 days, like that. Based on the question we will take the number of days. Let's see how to solve this question in another method. Second method, that is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 equals to 1 by 5. This is the work done for 3 days. This we know. Now try to multiply this fraction 1 by 5 with 2, 3, 4 and so on. Why should we multiply? I will tell you later. So let's multiply. 1 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 by 5. That gives 0.2. 1 by 5 into 2 gives 0.4. 1 by 5, 3 by 5 equal to 0.6. 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. 5 by 5 equal to 1. And 6 by 5 equal to 1.2. This is wrong. That is 6 by 5 is wrong. Why 6 by 5 is wrong? Because in time and work, the work is always equals to 1. It should not exceed 1, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This is wrong. So work never exceeds 1. We have to multiply the fraction until we get 1. So if the fraction 1 by 5 is multiplied with 5 and we have got 5 by 5 equal to 1. So this is correct. Up to here we have to stop. See here 0.2, 0.4 up to 1, this is correct. Whereas 1.2, 1.4 and so on up to, these are wrong. Always try to equalize the work with 1. Now 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 equal to 3 days. That means 1. That equals to 1. And 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10, that is 3 days, 2. Like this we have written up to 5. So 5 into 3 equal to 15 days. The work gets completed in 15 days. The number at which we have achieved 1, that number should be considered. What is that number? That is 5. What is 5? 1 means 3, whereas 5 means 5 into 3. Like that we have to do. Now let's move to the third method. This is the final method and this is an easy method. 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10. This is the 1 by 5. Actually, just now we have learned that total work is always equals to 1. So, the work done is 1 by 5. The remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 5. That gives 4 by 5. That means to perform 1 by 5 work, 3 days have been happened. It means they have taken 3 days. To perform 4 by 5 work, how many days they will take? So 4 by 5 into 5 by 5, 5 by 1 into 3, that equal to 12 days. To perform 4 by 5 work, they will take 12 days. So 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5, the work done plus remaining work. Work done plus remaining work equal to 3 plus 12, that equal to 15 days. In this way, we solve the problem. Thank you for watching.